Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar. So this is my second video of 2023, and if you recall, last week I did something on the Dyness battery BMS, so this is the one we removed. But before we get into that, I want to show you something. See these large inverters? They are going to a hospital. So this year we're pretty excited. We have a couple of projects coming up. One, this hospital in Ibadan. Hopefully we'll get this done tomorrow. They have lead acid batteries, and someone had done an installation for them that was abysmal. So we're going to allow them to keep their batteries, and we'll give them 24 kilowatts in inverting capacity. There's a lot of moving parts to this. Once we get this done, there are many more opportunities within the same hospital. And then we have 6 radio stations coming up. So we're very excited. It's going to be an incredible 2023. And as we go into 2023, I'll take you along. I'll do videos to show you the opportunities that have come up. Oh, we have an ICT center also coming up. ICT? Is it ICT?
ICT.
ICT.
Yes, ICT.
ICT center coming up in Port Harcourt. So we're very, very excited. So let me show you our Dyness battery. So Mohammed, replace this. Okay, and then Mohammed, can you turn it on, please? So what we're having before was all the state of charge, all the SOC lights were showing full, and when we tried to charge it, what would happen?
It will charge, but once you put off the power, it will go down to low battery.
So it will show as if the battery is full, and once we stop charging, it will go down to 49 volts.
Yes, and the BMS is not communicating.
And the BMS was not communicating with the inverter we have here. So Mohammed changed it, and guess what? It communicates. You discharge it to 50%, right, Mohammed?
Yes, I discharged it to 50%, only 2 bars.
He discharged it to 50%, and it was only showing 2 bars, and then he has recharged it again. So we're pretty psyched. Good news to report that the Dyness battery is back in business, and sometime next week he will go back to his rightful home in Aba in Abia State. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe icon. Guess what? I'm at 3,999 subscribers. I want to see who is going to be number 4,000. It's very, very exciting. 2023 is going to be awesome, and I could see it, I could feel it, I could taste it. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for watching.